Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger website builder and want to collect emails or run email or SMS campaigns using Brevo in 2026, here is the straight no nonsense truth. Hostinger website builder doesn't have a native Brevo integration. There is no direct API connection and no automatic sync inside the builder. But Brevo can be connected properly using supported methods, and this guide shows you exactly how to do it the right way. So first thing first, a Brevo embedded form. Okay, so this is the cleanest and the most professional solution. So how does it work? It works starting from Brevo to embed form to Hostinger page. Okay, so the steps are log in to Brevo first thing. So you have to have an account here, then tap contacts, then tap forms and create a sign up form, customize fields, email, name, etc. Copy the HTML embed code and go to Hostinger. So in Hostinger, on the other hand, edit website. Okay, tap website here. You have to have a upgraded account. Tap here, edit the website, open the page where the form should appear, add costume code or HTML block, paste the Brevo embed code, and then after that tap save and publish. So emails go directly into Brevo, double opt-in supported, GDPR compliance, works perfectly on mobile. Okay, so this is the recommended setup. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.